Come pack with me for my 300-hour yoga teacher training in Phuket, Thailand. Most important of all, my yoga mat towels, pair of heels, yoga strap, and travel towel. Bath salts for after long days, laundry detergent for sweaty days. PJs, swimsuit, overpacked amount of undies, and a bucket hat. Pack some dresses and jumpsuits for various occasions and for a wedding I have after this trip. Yoga fits. I packed 12 different outfits for yoga, for sweaty training sessions, and various sports bras and tops. Here they are, all packed away. These packing cubes are a game changer for big trips. Get them if you haven't already. I vacuum sealed it up, fill the gaps with some sprays, eucalyptus oil, and my block. For my carry-on, I vacuum sealed a sweat set, some dresses to easily access for Singapore before, makeup, contacts and jewelry, any medication like Tylenol and Pepto, and travel charger. My drone, a purse, these sunglasses from Ivan that I just got and I'm obsessed. They're honestly just sunglasses versions of my frames now. Hotel safety lock, brush, and most importantly, my Theragun for long training days. And that's it. We're off to Thailand.